welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss what are the barriers in communication. So let us dive into. So basically, communication is an essential process in our lives, and it is important to understand what barriers can potentially prevent effective communication, either in personal interactions or professional environment. Communication helps us express ideas, share information, and connect with others. However, communication is not always smooth. Sometimes we face obstacles. These are known as communication barriers. Understanding these barriers can help us overcome them and improve our communication skills. In this video, we will discuss common barriers in communication and how to identify and address them. We will also discuss ways to ensure successful communication. By the end of the video, you will have a better understanding of barriers of communication and how to ensure successful communication. There are multiple barriers of communication, for example, language barrier, organizational barrier, emotional barrier, or physical barrier. But let us first discuss what is a communication barrier or what does it mean. A communication barrier is anything that hinders the process of effective communication. It creates misunderstandings or prevents messages from being clearly received. These barriers can occur in any setting, but they are especially critical in business organizations, where clear communication is vital for teamwork, customer satisfaction, and achieving goals. Barriers can be physical, cultural, linguistic, or emotional and can occur within or between individuals. So let us discuss. The first one is language barrier. Language barrier in a communication is a difficulty or obstacle that arises when people who speak different languages attempt to interact. This can prevent people from understanding each other and lead to misunderstandings, frustration, and even conflict. For example, if a manager gives instructions in a language that not everyone understands, tasks may be completed incorrectly, leading to inefficiency. This can be caused by lack of knowledge or lack of proficiency. The next one is physical barrier. Physical environment barriers refer to any physical limitation that can interfere with the communication process. Examples include noise, poor lighting, distance between speakers, and physical obstructions between speakers. Other physical environment barriers include technology issues such as poor signal reception on mobile phones or a lack of access to technology such as the internet or computers. Physical barriers may also include frequent internet issues during vital meetings, etc. Now let us discuss emotional barrier. An emotional barrier in communication is a psychological barrier that prevents people from fully expressing their emotions or feelings to one another. This can be due to a lack of trust, fear of vulnerability, or difficulty in understanding the other person's point of view. For example, if an employee is afraid of being criticized, they might not share their ideas openly, which could hinder collaboration and innovation. So this might create emotional barrier and can interfere with effective communication, leading to misunderstandings and conflict. The next one is cultural barrier, which is the most important. Cultural barrier to communication are the differences in language, customs, and beliefs that may exist between people of different cultures or societies. These barriers can prevent people from understanding each other, leading to miscommunication and misunderstanding. For example, in some cultures, direct criticism is considered rude, while in others, it's seen as constructive. Misunderstanding these differences in a business setting can lead to conflicts or reduce team productivity. Cultural barriers can lead to cultural clashes also. In conclusion, we will say that communication barriers can significantly impact how we connect and work with others, especially in professional settings. By recognizing these barriers, language, physical, emotional, or cultural, we can take steps to overcome them. This not only improves communication but also builds stronger relationships and fosters success in any organization.